Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can make or create any ringtone from any songs on iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your app library, and then you just need to tap into the app library search button on App Store, and then you just need to open the App Store. Now you need this application to accelerate the recording to be your ringtone. So you just have to tap into the search button and just type the garage band, and then you just need to tap it. Now make sure that you download the application with this icon, the guitar on it with the orange, red and yellow color background of it. So you just need to tap it to open it, and there'll be like a lot of preview that you can learn about this application. There could be like a lot of features that you can use, as well as exporting the audio that you make from this application to be a recording and able to be accessed to be a ringtone on your iPhone. Now you just need to download it, and then for the next you can just follow everything in the screen and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.